In earlier demonstration, we have learned how we can restore data from log file and correct our mistake. In this demonstration, we'll take the same example little bit more ahead and see how we can restore database log with the help of stop date time. For example, in our tricky scenario, we had to restore data before and after this statement. Hence, we had to go to log file and edit that. But let's assume that you just want to stop when you made error. That means you only want to restore data right before this error has happened. You can do that if you remember the time when you executed this statement. Well, it's not possible always to remember when we have made mistake. However, our log file contains the very precise detail of timestamp. Go to log file and over here you can notice detail for timestamp, and right before that in comment you can also see time in our familiar format. Let's assume that you only want to delete first two records. You do not want any of your action after you deleted record containing payment ID 2 from payment table. We can accomplish that very easily. Remember this timestamp and let's take a look at the very next timestamp. This timestamp contains second part of 32 and right after that timestamp contains second part of 53. That means if I take any moment between these two time and stop execution of my log file right there, it will serve my purpose. In other words, if I stop executing of my log file at second 33, however, it will execute everything till this moment, but it will not execute anything after this point. Let's validate that. Let's go to command prompt. First, let's restore full backup, and right after that, we will now restore log backup with stop date time. Here is the command mysql bin log followed by -- stop date time. The date and time belongs to my server and timestamp is with second part as 33. That means it will restore everything up till this particular time. Key in the name of your log file. Right after that, we specify MySQL command to restore our database. Click enter and type valid password. Hit enter and it will restore your log file. Now, let's go back to MySQL Workbench and execute the select statement one more time. Here it is. Our result set demonstrates that it has deleted first two record where payment ID is equal to 1 and 2. However, as we have stopped with the help of timestamp right after this statement, it has not deleted record with payment ID 3. We have learned how to restore our database in point in a time with the help of log file recovery mechanism.